You'd never know what's in this box, but I know. And it's cool. Govee sponsored this video to check out their AI box. And they actually wrote, oh, Merry Christmas, dear Linus. Not me. Within this package, you'll find something we are hugely proud of. AI Gaming Sync Box. Is it a box? Is it a sync? I don't know. Your journey begins now. User manual. I'll probably need this later, but right now I'm skipping it. This is the heart of it all right here. Look at that I/O. What is all this stuff? Oh, okay. Tier number 1. Looks like some included lights in the box. They're kind of like tower lights, but they do have some command strips on the base, and it looks like there's probably some kind of foot that's going to connect onto there. It's nice that it actually comes with lights, because what this product is this brain controlling your lights in a very intelligent way. In fact, they say they're the first AI smart light thing that does this. And what does it do? It takes your content on your screen, your monitor, your TV, and then shines the light around your TV, around your room, with lighting that matches. So it increases your immersion to what you're watching, because, you know, a flashbang grenade goes off and all your lights shine white. Or just generally speaking, the light that's on the frame in the content you're watching kind of extends beyond your TV, and it really just brings you in. It's a cool effect. What are these 3 kings? This is probably the power adapter for the whole box, I would guess, just a wall adapter, and a barrel connector on the other end. What are all these guys? Tiny little screws, tiny little screwdriver, Phillips, some kind of clips with 3M tape on them, and another box of similar. A little alcohol prep pad. I guess this is for cleaning the part of your wall or desk that you're gonna stick something to, so clean and dry. Okay, this is an RGB strip. How long is that puppy? Please spread out the strip light before connecting the power supply. Okay, that's not the length. It looks long. Oh, these must be the feet. They look like a Govee logo, which is kind of cool. There they go, with those tiny screws. Govee! Sued by Sega. You got 3 different HDMI in ports, including one with ARC, so I probably would connect my AVR to that. But you could also directly go in from, like, let's say from your PlayStation, your PC, or your NVIDIA Shield or something like that. And then there's one out port, so you just go from this HDMI out to your display, but there's also USB-Cs, and that's where you can directly plug in, for example, these lights to there. Let's set it up. All right, we did some setup, cooking show style. So I got my HDMI run, PC to here to the display, and then now I'm ready to plug in the power, and I saved this because, check this out. Even more RGB than you thought you were gonna get. That's cool. Now another thing I noticed was these tower lights, they're actually designed to face the wall, and you can tell because the cable comes out on the light side. So they're meant to go like this. They still look pretty smart, even though they're kind of facing away from you. You got the Govee logo there. And what's cool is you can see just from plugging it in, it's already working. It's already showing the blue and purple that's on the screen. It's even doing it on the right plane, matching the wallpaper. It's pretty cool. CogniGlow is Govee's AI algorithm that's going to be fed audio and visual information through HDMI and then sync that information to the lighting accordingly. And all of this intelligence is stuffed into this little hardware box, which has an efficient and powerful processor inside. It's so powerful, Govee claims it's equivalent to the A14 chip from Apple that was found in the iPhone 12. And the box comes with all these cool lights. So you have everything you need. Hey, it's blue. But so is that wall, so let's get something else going. I got my browser open. Look how quick that responds. I can't Alt-Tab to nothing. I can Windows M. Look at that. It can actually interpret up to 60 frames a second, including when I'm doing some 4K gaming. So let's do that now. It currently supports 3 games, League of Legends, Apex Legends, and what other type of Legends? Valorant. So what do they mean by supported games? Well, you'll actually get custom bespoke lighting effects depending on the game. So for example, in League of Legends, when you get a double kill, the lights flash pink. And if you get a triple kill, they go from purple to pink, and then they move in all sorts of circles, and it's a great time. And then in Apex Legends, you get the lights turning from purple to red to show the whole Phoenix effect process. And then for the med kit, the lights turn from red to green to show that process. And if you win the game, the lighting is gonna flicker red, yellow, and blue like a cheerful firework display. So that's the kind of out-of-display immersive experience you can get with the 3 supported games now. But in 2023, we're gonna see that library expand. Just fill my screen with this. Yeah, let's go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's hard to appreciate the extra immersion you get when you're this close to a big monitor already. Although I do feel like it's kind of sucking me in because it just makes kind of more of your room the game. And I might sense it even more with a movie though. That's pretty sweet. Ooh, yeah, what is my team thinking of me? These guys trying to stab me. See that? Can I open this thing? Oh my God. That looks really nice. It's almost like it gives you HDR in a way because it's adding brightness, right? So when you go to a bright shot like these nice white pink cherry blossoms, you get that extra wow factor just by virtue of these lights changing to white. Sweet. Now in the app, they actually give you some tools to change this. You might want to have these lights be a different brightness relative to your TV, which you can adjust here. And a really important one is the sensitivity slider. So right now it's set to 100 and you can see that the lights changing is really flickery. So when it changes colors, it's very distinct, and I would actually call that distracting, but luckily you can turn that down so it has more of a smooth transition, eases into the different color changes, and that is way more natural. I would definitely keep it. That would be my personal preference. Love that they have that included. Another clutch setting is part versus all. When you have it on all, it only displays a single color across all the LEDs, but when you put it on part, now the LEDs are illuminated according to different regions of the screen. So in this particular Windows 11 stock desktop background, you've got more blue in the middle and darker on the sides, and that's exactly what we see on the LED strip on the back. There's a lot brighter blue right here, and these are pretty much dimmer and darker. It's a really cool system, and I can't wait to see it expand to other lights in their ecosystem because they got some wacky ones. I like that bendy one that Linus got. So look for this product to come out at the end of March 2023, and thanks to Govee again for sponsoring this video. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, subscribe. You got something else to do? Subscribe. Subscribe. Oh no, no, subscribe.